Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate EVgo receipts and invoices for business expense claims, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate EVgo receipts and invoices for business expense claims, begin by visiting the EVgo website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section located in the main menu. Look for the billing or payment options within your account settings. In this section, you will find an option to enable receipts and invoices. Select the option to receive emails for your charging transactions. Ensure you check the box for both receipts and detailed invoices. Next, provide a valid email address where you would like to receive these documents. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification message from EVgo. Click the verification link to activate your email notifications if required. After verification, return to the billing section of your account. Here, make sure that your preferences for electronic receipts and invoices are saved. You may also download past receipts directly from this section if needed. Now, every time you charge your EV at an EVgo station, you will receive an email with your receipt. Invoices will also be sent according to your specified settings for business expense claims. Remember to check your spam or promotions folder if you do not see the emails in your inbox. This concludes the process for activating EVgo receipts and invoices for business expense claims. You are now set to efficiently manage your EV charging expenses for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.